plotting section. So today is the lecture 23, and in the lecture 23 we will cover more about the mesh plot. So you can see here about the mesh plot, right? So okay, let's recap what we have done so far in the plotting section, right? So in the plotting section we have seen in the first lecture 10 we have seen about the uh, subfigures and how we can have sub captions for each images and alignment and references. Then we have compared many graphs in one plot, right? And then how we, if we'll have data, and how we can plot and compare it. Then we have discussed more about the scatter plot. Then afterwards we saw about the bar plot, how to plot, and different types of pie plots, how we can draw, like in polar, cloudy, rectangle, right? And then 3D coordinates plot we have also seen, right? And then we have discussed more about the 3D plot with two variable function, or like surface plot. And then we have created the radar plot, and then after that Venn diagram we have seen, and then histogram, and then area chart. So last lecture was area chart, how we can create area chart we have seen. If you have not seen my previous videos, you can go to my course website, that akasharya.in/courses, where I will give all the links of the lectures. Like module first we have created fundamentals of latex, like before that overview, text fonts, right, and wrapping figure with text, everything we have discussed in module first. Okay, the coloring cells, how to create tables, hyperlinks and URL, right, and mathematical expression and characters. So code is also given, you can download the code and upload in the overleaf.com. Okay, and you can get also PDF, right? In the module section we was looking for the data visualization or about the plotting section. So their functions, plotting, creating subfigure, alignments of subfigure, everything is there in on the websites also. You can, and code is also available, okay, code and PDF, so you can practice your own. Okay, so everything there, or you can get my course on LinkedIn, sorry, or Udemy, and you can get certified, right? So I'll give you this a discount also if you DM to me. So I'll give you, you can also enroll free, okay, when you DM. So it depends on you, right, how you, or you can follow my LinkedIn update, LinkedIn channel, so you can get update after every post or something related to, or you can follow my YouTube channel. Okay, so in the YouTube channel all the mm, videos, lecture videos are also uploaded, right? So better will be you go to the courses website and download the code if you have any issues, right? So you can directly solve or see the code. Okay, let's begin with the today's lecture. So we'll have to create the mesh plot. Okay, so for creating the mesh plot, we will first set the our width and height. Okay, how it will be compatible. Okay, let's just start with, let's PGF. So you will have to give PGF plot package. Okay, PGF plot set, and let's say width we are taking, let's say width equal to 10 centimeter, and this compact equal to 1.3, let's say. Okay, then we will start with the begin, and that is text. We are using the text picture here. Okay, so in the text picture we will have to first define the axis, right? Otherwise, if you will not define the axis, how you will create the graph? Okay, and now let's add plot. We are adding our plot because it is in 3D, so we will give add plot 3 and then plus, and it should create the mesh. So we will write mesh scatter. You can give your own, right? I am just, and then sample size, let's say 10, and domain, let's say 0 colon 1, right? That is our plot description. and then our plot is, let's say, okay, plot is, let's say, x into, so for the multiplying you will have to give this word a star, right? 1 minus x, right? 1 minus x star y star 1 minus y. Okay, so and then close it, and let's recompile what we get. So it is recompiling. We'll just wait few minutes. Okay, so you can see here the plot comes, right? You can see here the math plot of the function x 1 minus x y into 1 minus y. Okay, so we have created the math and then scatter. Okay, so scatter is also there, and the sample size is 10, so we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 is the sample size. Okay, so that we have created. Now let's say for the another plot, so we'll just copy and then just paste. Okay, we will give the specification same width and everything. And now let's say we are giving only mesh. Okay, so let's say other specification is we are removing mesh, and we are taking here, let's say, x to the power 4, right? And let's recompile it. So you can see here the new graph of x to the power 4. Okay, at plus 3 and mesh. So here if we remove the, then it will give the color. Okay, so okay, then let's see. And now another plot we can create with the, let's say, we'll have to change the view, right? So we can also change the view of our or angle of our mesh plot. So for the mesh plot, changing view or like adding grid is also the different thing. It colors the plot, right? So let's say grid equal to measure. Okay, you can give minor, major, normal. Okay, and let's say view equal to, you are giving the degree 210 and let's say 30. Okay, and these things we keep the same, and let's say changing our plot, right? Let's say 5 into x into multiplied by sine, and 2 multiplied by degree and x. Okay, and then multiplied, okay, multiplied it by y into 1 minus y. Okay, and then yeah, everything bracket is fine. We'll have to check one. Okay, this is closing this. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, and then everything is fine. Let's recompile it. Then you will see the view is changing, right? It is taking some time to recompile it. Yeah, you can see the changing view right here, or we can, let's say it is like that, and we just change, let's say 50, then we see what happens. And the sample size is 10 also here. Okay, and we have, okay, seen today how to create the mesh plot, right? So this is the another things that you learned here, new thing. Let's see, this is how it changes, right? We have, when we change the uh, view, and we have also created the grid also. You can see the grid measure here. Okay. So thank you very much for joining this session, and hope you enjoyed so far. And if you have not seen previous videos, you can go to the course website and follow my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and follow LinkedIn account also for getting updates. And please go to my course website, okay, and Udemy, and buy my course to get certified here. Okay, and you can get discount here also if you DM me. I'll give you the coupon code. Right? Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.